Hello ghosts and ghouls, let's keep it cute this Halloween with some little ghost cupcakes, made with a vegan marshmallow fondant. Let's get spooky. To make the fondant, first measure out the coconut oil and place it on a double boiler. To do this, simply fill a pot with some water, heat it up, and place the coconut oil in a bowl on top of the pot. Make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. Add in the water, optional vanilla extract, and vegan marshmallows. Keep stirring, stirring, stirring until the marshmallows melt down to a smooth, gooey consistency. Once the mixture is ready, take it off the heat and add in the powdered sugar in 3 batches. You can mix it with a spatula or with your hands. Just wash your hands first. You will basically knead the powdered sugar into the marshmallows until it becomes smooth and workable. If you live in a drier climate, you might not need all of the powdered sugar. Turn out the fondant onto a workspace dusted with powdered sugar. If it feels a little dry, knead some coconut oil into it. And roll it out to about a 1/8 inch thickness, or 3 millimeters. Use a cookie cutter to cut out circles. Using any flavor cupcake, pipe a swirl of frosting on top. Center the fondant circle over the cupcake and gently drape it down. Press the fondant around the cupcake, pinching the sides to create little pleats for the ghost shape. Play around with it until you get the shape you want. Finally, paint in the eyes and mouths as cute or spooky as you like. I'm using a chocolate ganache that I dyed black with charcoal, but buttercream and royal icing works well too. And boop! Some little ghost cupcakes to make Halloween even sweeter this year. Here's a little reminder to stay safe, practice social distancing, and make face masks a part of your costume this year. Please like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.